Imagine you're building a town from scratch. You wouldn't just hand the project to a single architect locked in a room. You'd gather the community around a table to figure it out together. That's exactly how we need to approach artificial intelligence. When a company first starts using AI, the setup is usually pretty simple. It's like drawing a basic map for a tiny settlement of just 4 houses. You write a few straightforward rules to keep things safe, and everyone easily follows them. But AI scales up quickly. This blueprint shows what happens when an organization grows from testing 4 AI systems to deploying 26. You suddenly have diverse models interacting, dense new data pathways crossing, and complex traffic you never planned for. Look at these bright red bottlenecks appearing at the intersections. A rulebook written for a quiet village will break down in a bustling city. If you wait for one of these structural failures to happen before you update your safety rules, you are already too late. That means AI governance cannot be a static document sitting on a shelf. It has to be a living, breathing system that adapts every day. So pull up a chair and let's look at how to build a framework that grows right alongside you. To keep the town safe, we have to actively update the map. This rewriting isn't random. It's driven by 3 relentless forces. The first force is technology change. The AI available right now behaves completely differently than the tools we had 2 years ago. We are moving from simple models that perform one narrow task to autonomous systems capable of executing complex, multi-step actions on their own. The second force is your own internal learning. Every time you roll out a new AI tool to your employees, you discover exactly how it behaves in your specific environment. You see what your users actually do with it and learn what can go wrong. The third force is the law. The rules governing AI are shifting rapidly, like the phased rollout of the European Union's AI Act. A system that perfectly follows the rules today might violate a new legal code tomorrow. Because the technology, your own experience, and the law are shifting simultaneously, relying on yesterday's governance rules means operating blindly today. To manage all that pressure without descending into chaos, you need a structured review cycle. Think of it like holding regular town hall meetings to systematically update the local building codes. This timeline maps scheduled reviews. The outer ring evaluates annual strategy. Inside, quarterly checks ensure daily procedures work. But schedules aren't enough. Notice these sudden indicator lights fracturing the timeline. AI risks don't wait for fiscal quarters. These flashes represent triggered reviews. They are forced by immediate events, an unexpected AI failure, a brand new category of deployment, or a major vendor software update. The scheduled check-ins provide a strong baseline of safety, but those triggered reviews act as the vital reflex, catching unforeseeable disasters before they can collapse the entire framework. The people who really know if this map is working aren't the executives in a boardroom, it's the practitioners interacting with AI every day. They have the earliest, most accurate view of which safety rules actually protect us and which ones just get in the way. If we just keep piling new rules on top of old ones every time something goes wrong, the blueprint becomes impossible to read. When a safety framework gets too complex, people stop trying to understand it. They just check the required boxes to get through their day, creating a false sense of security. That's why we have to actively prune our rules. We need to cut away outdated requirements that do not catch real risks. A clear, navigable system is much safer than a cluttered one. And when an AI mistake does happen, we can't just investigate the failure and move on. We have to look closely at our defenses and ask exactly why our current rules failed to prevent the problem. To ensure we learn from those mistakes, we use a strict 30-day rule. Within a month of any significant issue, the team must document one specific, concrete change to the safety framework to fix that root vulnerability. If you investigate a failure but you don't actually change your blueprint to prevent it from happening again, you aren't improving the system. You're just doing administrative paperwork. When you find yourself having to rewrite the rules you established just last year, don't view it as a failure. It isn't an admission that you made a mistake. It is proof that you are paying attention. An evolving blueprint is the hallmark of a healthy organization that learns from its environment and stays ahead of new risks. It relies on a collaborative promise. When one team member spots a hazard and figures out how to navigate it, that knowledge gets added to the map. The entire community gets to keep it and benefit from it. Our understanding of artificial intelligence is going to keep shifting, and this blueprint will keep changing right along with it. There is a seat waiting for you to help us draw what comes next. The work of governing AI is a constant practice, but by committing to that shared process, we build a living foundation that protects us all.